Hi. So today we are going to talk of Agile user stories, the Dhurandar way. Just listen carefully to what I'm saying. So when we talk of user stories, any project, it starts with a theme. Within the theme, you have different epics. Within each epic, you have different user stories, that is the requirements. And each and every user story which consists of different tasks. So for example, let's take regarding payroll. So in payroll, you can have the actual payroll processing which happens. Then you can have income tax processing which happens. Then within that you can have PPF processing, which provident fund processing which happens. Okay, or maybe insurance processing which happens. So these can be your within the themes. These can be your epics. Now for each of the epics, for example, let's say payroll processing. You can have different user stories. You can have different kind of masters. You can have different kind of transactions. Similarly, in the similar way, for income tax, you can have different kind of tax deductions which are going to happen, or the investments which are going to happen, or different reports. They can be your different user stories. Now those activities which will be done or performed, let's take an example of employee master, okay, which is one of your user stories. For employee master, you'll be adding, modifying, deleting, and there will be a lot of reports which will be there. For transaction also, for attendance and other stuff, same thing will be there. So those will be different tasks. I hope you have understood, or if not, listen carefully to what I'm saying now. Agile user story is the Dhurandar way. Most of you must have seen the movie Dhurandar. I think it was international fame. So many of the people from abroad might have seen it. If you have not seen it, watch it, okay, to understand what I'm saying. So Dhurandar is the theme, actual theme. Then you had Dhurandar 1, it had a different name. Then you had Dhurandar 2. So those were the epics. Within Dhurandar 1, you had user story 1, user story 2, user story 3. That is the chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3. And within Dhurandar 2, again you had same user story 1, user story 2, chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, till the final chapter. And the tasks for each and every chapter, they had different tasks, how it was executed, how they were kidnapped, okay, and then the final chapter. So those were the different tasks. So to summarize it, Dhurandar is the Dhurandar is the theme. Dhurandar 1 and Dhurandar 2 are the epics. Within Dhurandar 1 and Dhurandar 2, you have different chapters, which are the user stories and the tasks, how they were executed. Okay, those were the tasks, within that. So that's what I can say. I hope you have understood. Thank you.